Should be closer to. You had $120, dividing it up into 4 people. What if everybody got $10? How much would you use up?
5.
5 what?
1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know.
Yes.
Count out by tens to 120. How many are on one of those?
10.
So here, go ahead. Count 220 by tens. Let's break those in half.
I prefer to get back.
So you know how Sudoku's that has that 1 through 9, right? These are
So what are you up to?
so this has to be a 3. So we can't have a 3 here.
6.
Okay, 120. Okay, so let's say you have to divide those up into 4 groups. How would you divide those up into 4 groups?
You can't have a 3 here, right? This one is known to be a 3. You can automatically put a... No, there's a 3 here no matter what, and a 3 here no matter what. So you can start by writing 3s there.
So what's the answer? 120 divided by 4 is how much in each group?
You can automatically put a 3 there and a 3 there.
Oh,
So it should be 3.
I know. I didn't put that 0.
Okay, good. Good. So sometimes you think, does that answer make sense? It's like 120 divided by 4 shouldn't be 3. That would be way too low. Okay, good.
Oh, you're tossing 2 pennies 20 times, not 20 pennies once. The way to do these is to draw a tree. So I'll one of you draw heads and tails. H for heads and then T for tails. So that's the only possible outcomes when you flip a coin once, right? But we're gonna flip 2. So you're gonna make a branch, make 2 branches. And then do that for that one there. So how many possible outcomes are there for that every time you flip a coin? Right, so then what would that be? Well, not 2. So there's 2 outcomes. What outcomes can you have when you flip a coin? It could either be what? It could be heads or tails, right? So you can put a heads here and a tails here, and then a heads here and a tails here. And then if you want to do it for 3 coins, you can keep making the tree bigger and bigger and bigger. So this is one possible outcome. You could have a heads, or you could have a heads, tail, or you could have a tails, then a head, or you can have a tail, tail. So why don't you write those 4 possible outcomes there?
I have 2 hearts. Ready.
So if you flip 2 coins, that's the only possible outcomes you could have. There's no way you could have 3 tails, right? There's no way you could have 3 heads. You can either have 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each.
Okay, I want to know which one of those is connected to the side and which one is connected to the bottom. So how are you going to do that? Do you have any ideas, young man?
Maybe the middle, I guess.
Okay, you're on to something. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna probably try to use the wires.
Yes! Use the wires, and then what?
Probably use this to touch the metal, and then see what happens.
Okay. Okay, so are you going to... Okay, let's take one out, then what?
Right, I will touch it. Here, can somebody hold this?
Okay.
Can
Hold
you
what, this?
Like, hold it to the metal.
Holding it to this metal is the same as holding it to this. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's easier to hold it to this
Okay.
because this is connected to that. Are you drawing what you're going to try? Okay.
This one's broken.
Exactly. Yeah. So how are we going to tell which one of these wires connects to the bottom and which one connects to the side?
What are these?
That's just another broken bulb. It's the same as this. Oh, you want me to hold that? I can hold that for you. Okay, I'll hold that there to that wire. Then what?
Oh no.
Where did you get this?
Gotta hold it there.
No, but you know what? You can. We got a loose wire over there, so go ahead, use that one.
Why do you have these?
Is this wire connected to the side or the bottom?
Side.
Try the bottom. Doesn't work. Okay, so look, he figured out that this wire was connected to the side. What about the other wire?
Other wire? Which
This
one?
one.
Wait, this side? Here.
Okay.
Can you put it here? How about we put them on both sides? See what happens.
Okay, interesting. Look at that. Okay. That's interesting. That doesn't work. But that works. From there to the side.
I tried the front. I tried the top.
Okay? Alright, so what have you figured out from this? This is broken. One of them is longer and one of them is shorter. Which one is the longer one?
Yeah, I'm a jolly.
On yours. Here. To show me which one was longer.
It looks like it has the light bulb part. It kind of looks like this.
Here's the size, so which one of these should be longer? This one or this one?
Right here.
Yeah, let's draw it, make it look sort of like this. Which one is it? Is it this way or is it this way?
It was actually this way.
Okay.
Cause I kind of figured it out.
So,
Kind of looks all beaten up.
right. Okay, we'll take this off because that's the part that was broken. Alright, where does this one go? The shorter one, where do you think it goes?
Probably on the bottom.
Can we test that?
Sure.
Yeah, let's test that. You tested the long one.
Let's try the same thing.
Okay.
Let's do it all together. Then
All right. Tell me what to do.
Let's just-
I'll help you, whatever I can do. Do that.
You're gonna put one of these right
Okay,
there.
I can hold that right there.
And I'll just try to put it at the bottom this time.
That's what it is.
Wait.
Hold it tight against it. Yeah, there you go. And if you tried it at the side, it wouldn't work, right?
It did try it.
I bet you the
Yeah,
notebook.
it doesn't work.
It only tries it.
Is
when
the
you-
Yeah.
notebook? The
Okay,
notebook?
it's a little tricky on the bottom. What's that look like? Oh, which part of the bottom actually works?
The middle. The little
Hold it again.
The little-
The black?
No, the gray.
Okay, try it again. Let's make
See?
sure.
Watch.
Hold it.
See, watch.
Wait, maybe I don't have this one held right. Let me make sure I got this one connected. Okay. Oh, the
Told you.
silver part works. What about that brass colored part on the side? Did that work?
Oh yeah, it does.
Only does
Yeah,
that
it
work?
does.
Oh, okay. And the black part? What about the black part right here?
No.
Okay, just the. Okay.
So we figured out so far that the brass color and the silver metal work easily.
Okay. Cool. The wire. One touches that.
So in this experiment, explain to me what you did.
Like I kind of used this part right here,
You know what? I think this
and then like
this wire is.
I used this part of the like bulb, and then usually I just wrote the part of the glass on top of it,
Oh, it's the name of your
and
robot?
I just wrote like lines to make it act like it was lighting up.
Where you
I was thinking of like I was thinking of putting a glass over there.
What IC number?
Side,
For some
right?
reason,
It's good than mine.
it was kind of hard.
What's that?
Somehow I was struggling through it.
No, it's
But
fine. Here.
now it's not hard because I just drew it. This has, I just wrote it like that because it has like
And I want you to write.
at least these parts inside, the red like lines in it.
Okay, draw the picture first, and then you can write what.